Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we're going to show you how to do an oil change on a Pontiac Torrent or a Chevy Equinox, the one with the 3.4 engine, the 6-cylinder 3.4. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that. The first thing that we'll need to do, you need to drive the car on stands like that, on ramps, so you have more clearance. And this way, let me show you, the oil plug is all the way on the back of the engine, right there. So now the oil will be towards the plug and we'll be able to get most of it out. What you need is a 13mm socket and a ratchet, or just a wrench will do the trick too. And just take the oil plug off, completely off, and let the oil drain out of it. It's gonna take probably about 5 minutes for a good drain. Okay, we drained the oil, and now what you need to do is just install the plug and get it tight. Do not leave it for later, because you might forget, and if you forget, you're taking too high risk to lose the oil plug, run out of oil, and end up buying a new engine for your vehicle. Now the oil filter is located right there on the front side of the engine, and you either grab it with two hands. If it's too tight, you might need to use the oil filter pliers. They're cheap and easy to find. They have them at Walmart, O'Reilly, AutoZone, every part store for about 5 to 10 bucks, I think. So let the oil come out of it. Make sure that you do not burn yourself. If you drove the car for too long, the oil will be too hot and it might burn your skin, so just be careful with it. And now, once the oil leaks out, you see, you can take it off. More oil will leak out from the oil filter housing. Okay, this is the new filter. It's made by Purelator L10111. So what you need to do now, you need to open the new oil, get the filter out of the box, and that rubber seal, that's the one that's contacting the oil filter housing. So you need to apply a little bit of clean fresh oil on that seal, so this way the oil filter will not get stuck on the oil filter housing, which will make it really hard to remove for the next oil change. So always apply oil on that seal. And what we need to do now, you just need to install it on the oil filter housing right there. Okay, and just get it tight. Again, do not leave it for later. You take one off, you put the new one on, and get it tight with two hands. There is no need to use pliers or anything like that. This is enough. Now you need to remove the oil cap right there, just pull it out. You need to use a funnel so you don't make a mess. And we need to add 4.5 quarts of oil. We're using Castrol 5W30 conventional oil, it's not synthetic. As you can see, this one recommends 5W30. And just add 4.5 quarts. This should be enough to be in the safe level. Okay, we added 4.5 quarts, so now you need to pull the funnel and put the oil cap on. Do not forget to do that, because if you do, you will be losing vacuum and you will be spraying oil everywhere when you start the vehicle. Okay, now what you need to do, take the car off the ramp, so make sure it is level. We need to put the dipstick to make sure the level is okay before we start the vehicle. But 4.5 should do the trick. So you need to pull it once, wipe it, and then pull the second time to get the reading. And as you can see, it's over the full mark, but that's okay, because now we need to start the vehicle, and oil will go in the new oil filter. It will fill it up, so it will take a little bit, and let it run for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then just shut it off. After you shut the car off, let it stay for a couple minutes so the oil drains back in the oil pan. And now just pull the dipstick, wipe it again, and put it back in the hole, pull it, and check the oil level. And as you can see, it's perfect. It's all the way to the full mark. Never go over the full. because if you put too much oil, you're going to damage your catalytic converter. We also have a video on our channel how to reset the change oil indicator. So if you want, feel free to check this one out. Thank you guys. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.